dust on the tailgate, cooler clanking when it swings. Sun just sliding down the ridge line, painting rust on everything. Remote in my left hand, right hand on that old rod. Ripe wash, ribble and brown water, feeling closer to God. Drawn flying these creek beds, smallmouth hitting where the shade gets thin. Kentucky fresh air in my chest, I don't care if the day don't end. This is all that I've been chasing. Mud on my boots, that wild blue grin. Drawn flying these creek beds, and I'm right where I fit in. Oh yeah. Skipping jigs past busted branches, watch that bronze flash roll. Buddy laughing on the gravel bar, bare feet in the shows. Signal cutting through the sycamores, screen glow on my face, catching every bend and backwash like a map to grace. Draw flying these creek beds, smallmouth hitting where the shade gets thin. Kentucky fresh air in my chest, I don't care if the day don't end. This is all that I've been chasing. Mud on my boots, that wild blue grin's only flying these creek beds, and I'm right where I fit in. Let the highways have the hurry, let the cities keep the noise. I'll be out here burning daylight like it's my only choice. Every bend another memory, every cast a little prayer. If there's heaven for a sinner, it's this water